aiming for the moon.
Y'all, we had a whole conversation, and I realized that y'all can't even hear me, so now I'm just at this point where I'm trying to hook up, but I'm hooking up to my trailer. I'm trying to put y'all down so y'all can see. Anyway, y'all ain't gonna be able to see. Y'all gonna be able to see the actual connection, but we'll get this part. Man, I be effing this thing up. Keep on there. I hope it's okay. I'm sorry. I didn't know it was gonna move like that. Shoot. I really need my dang on. I really need my phone holder. When it's out of order. I like to hook up the trailer the same way each time. That way I don't miss a step. But it's easy to do if you're not paying attention. So we gotta make sure our handle is in place. It is. I showed y'all as much as I could right there. Make sure it's on there. In place. Now we gotta let up the landing gear. Okay. y'all. This too much. And I turned off the darn blinkers. I gotta check, make sure everything right. Hot. That's my blinkers, my hands move lights. Blinking. Keep these damn tires pretty good. Just super singles. Sure. Everything look good. Look, a big old snake. What is that? I'm scared. Both blinkers are blinking. All the marker lights are intact and on. We even got a tail light. Go ahead now. Usually that tail light be at. Oh. Try that one again. Yeah, I gotta get a sledgehammer. Everything is working. Alright. So yeah, y'all, I was saying, I guess I can tell y'all when we get back in the truck. Yeah. Alright, I'll talk to y'all in a second. Child, I done gave y'all the best that I got. You understand me? I done tried to show y'all me hooking up to the trailer. Some parts I done hit the button and stop recording, so I don't have a lot of that footage. It's how people keep riding by, and I'm trying to get out of here for real. Let me take this thing off yard move. I'm done with that portion. How long I've been on here? 40 minutes. Yeah, I think we did enough of that one. Hide and stop the move. Go off duty, please, ma'am. Thank you. So yeah, I'm all hooked up. I mean, I call myself walking around showing y'all the lights and stuff so y'all can look with me and make sure that it's working. But I don't know what all I got. Like I said, people keep riding by and I'm new at this, so yeah, I don't want nobody in my business. And this is the second time I've seen this man on this dang go-kart. So yeah, I'm about to just finish up, put the information in the system like it need to be. But what I was telling y'all earlier when I was talking, and y'all didn't hear anything, okay? Because I had the Bluetooth on, so y'all couldn't hear me. So anyway, I'm in Anderson, South Carolina, picking up this load. We came here once before in, I believe, January. Came here back in January. It was cold then, and somebody else was parked across from me or whatever, and I was worried about that. But anyway, nobody's out here. But people do keep riding by. Like I said, I see that man on that go-kart 2 times, golf cart, whatever it is. 2 times, the yard jockey doing his job or whatever. I feel like they being nosy. Okay. He on the damn phone. He not paying me no attention. But yeah, so I'm hooked up. I'm about to put the information in the system, depart, okay? And we're going to get out of here. We are going to, our ultimate destination is Aberdeen, Maryland, but tonight I'm going to Emporia, Virginia, which is about 5 hours away. So yeah, I'm going there to rest for the night, and I need to call once I get off the phone with y'all and see if I'm able to drop this load tomorrow. That way I get all my miles in for this run tomorrow, and it goes on this week's loads and everything. So yeah, y'all on the paper, Jesus. And I was supposed to make sure, in fact, that I had the right trailer number before I went on ahead and hooked up to it. Too late. It's too late to turn back now. But it's the right one, child. Y'all can see my paperwork, okay? So yeah, I'm hungry too. I wanted to try to make some oatmeal, but it is what? It's 12:57. Y'all, what should I do? Should I try to make some oatmeal real quick? Cause I'm gonna eat on the way and everything. It's either that or make me some hot dogs. Some hot dogs be busted, baby. Put your little mustard and some relish, not relish, Jesus. I don't eat that. Mustard and coleslaw. So good. It's so good. So on a beef hot dog, a little glazing. Yeah, that part. That's what I like, but I eat that later. I know if I don't eat now, I'm gonna regret it. I'm gonna regret it if I don't eat now. So, with that being said, like I said, it's not gonna take long. I probably need some coffee, but I might just pop a stairway. And look at now the yard jockey coming back down this way. This man is doing his job. Let me put my address in here so that I can where is it? Oh, that's the wrong bill. So let's put our address into the GPS. I think I already done it on here. That would be so good if I had, but I don't think I did. I didn't even put the address in. That would have been so good. I could have just selected it and kept going. Y'all, this is the process though, y'all. This is what I be taking myself through. Oh, it's 1E. Yep, there you go. See, I got my own GPS up here, child. But yeah, I ain't gonna hold y'all. It's been over 5 minutes already. And I'm probably gonna go ahead so that I don't regret. Go ahead and make me some oatmeal. I'm doing oatmeal with peaches. I'm not gonna add any extra sugar because last time it was too much sugar for me. So yeah, I'm gonna make that. I had something else to tell y'all too. Dang, I had something to tell y'all. It was a little story.
Turn at the first right.
Let's see. I'm trying to see also as I'm doing this. North Carolina. I think I have to, right? Yes. Virginia. Yes. Slip in. Oh, they say 85. Oh, shit. Okay, 95. No. Girl. How about it's not even putting me off where my I'm gonna have to figure out somewhere else to go. F. Okay. Cause it's not taking me. Hold on. We're gonna have to do this again. Cause I want to. Oh hell. I want to go to my favorite truck stop, and I feel like I should be able to. I gotta put that address in and redo it. Oh, girl, these is the woes of trucking. I'm telling you. I'm sure that's probably the quickest way, but I want to go where I want to go. Oh. Yo. I think, am I looking
first right.
Maybe. Y'all, okay. I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna hopefully go back here and make me some